Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22. To begin, select a map and difficulty that suits your playstyle. You will start with some basic equipment, usually a tractor, a seeder, and a trailer, which are essential for early tasks. Familiarize yourself with the controls for driving and operating machinery. As you progress, you can purchase additional land and expand your farm, allowing for more diverse and profitable ventures. This initial setup is crucial for a successful start. Once your farm is set up, the core of farming begins with cultivating your crops. First, prepare your fields by plowing or cultivating them thoroughly. Next, use a seeder to plant your chosen crops, such as wheat, corn, or soybeans. To maximize your harvest, fertilize your fields up to 3 times during the growth cycle. Finally, when your crops are mature, use a combine harvester to gather them and unload into a trailer for storage or sale. This cycle forms the backbone of your income. Beyond traditional crop farming, you can diversify your operations significantly. Consider animal husbandry, raising cows for milk, pigs for meat, or chickens for eggs, each offering unique income streams. Forestry is another option, involving cutting down trees and processing timber into wood chips or planks. Furthermore, engage in production chains, transforming raw materials like milk into cheese or grain into bread, adding substantial value. Greenhouses allow you to grow fruits and vegetables consistently, regardless of the season. Effective farm management is key to long-term success and growth. Always monitor your finances, tracking income from sales against expenses for seeds, fertilizer, and machinery. Ensure your equipment is well maintained by performing regular repairs and refueling to avoid costly breakdowns. You can also hire workers to automate many tasks, freeing up your time for other ventures. Strategically upgrading your machinery and expanding your land will significantly boost your farm's overall efficiency and profitability over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.